Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create work order template or tracker in Notion. So what you can do, create a new page, right? And here we choose database as table. Now currently I don't have any data source, so I will just click on new database. Here I will use work order tracker, right? And I will start with name of worker, so I will simply edit this, call it worker name, right? Next I will try and edit this property called tax, right? We don't need that. Instead I would need one number, and that would be job ID, because we want to track the job IDs done by a particular worker. So next would be, we will be editing the work, right? So that would be work description, and it should be text, right? So work description. Next would be the number of tasks that were done by this particular worker, so we will use number, and that would be quantity, right? Then finally we will have to give two more templates here, and that would result in our formula. For that we will add one number, name this, let's say price or price of unit, right? So number format I want to keep with US dollar, right? So basically the template will now contain a final item which is going to be a formula, and we will edit the formula, right, by using quantity multiplied by price. Done. Here instead of formula I can name it total, right? So that is pretty much it. So let's say John Doe, and he does the work, 2333 is the job ID. Then work description, let's say he does the work of floor cleaning, right? So let's assume that we are operating some mall. Then he does that work and does it for one floor of the mall. Then price would be, let's say he gets hourly price, right? For one floor he gets something like, say, 9.99. So total will be like this, right? We can also add one more thing, which is going to be notes for that task. So let's reduce this, right? So we have everything lined up properly. If you wish to change the layout, let's say edit view, change layout, so you can try board but it won't fit, you can try list, also not doesn't fit, timeline, gallery and calendar, none of them will fit. So we'll stick with table. We have our table here, and here you see data status, we don't want them, so we will just remove them, right? So we have pretty much our table ready. You can beautify this by coloring your rows based on the amount, or we can also do the coloring based on the basis of, let's say, price or total or notes. This way we would have much better work order tracker in Notion.